Hey y'all, this is an old 70s stereo cabinet that I picked up off of Craigslist for free. And the people I got it from had actually converted it to a hermit crab enclosure. Don't know what happened to their crabs, but they put this on Craigslist for free. So I thought it might make a pretty decent enclosure. So they've already done a lot of the work for me. They've already taken all the front, side, and back panels off of it. So I'm just going to change it up how I need it to work for what I need it for. I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to put in it. It's going to be a surprise. But I'm hoping to get a new animal in a couple of weeks. I don't think I'm going to restain it or anything. It really doesn't look like it's in bad shape at all. There's some marking on it, mostly on the top, but for the most part it looks pretty good, so I'm going to leave it the way it is. I do like the partial distressed look on it, which isn't much, but I'm just going to rebuild the inside of it. So stay tuned. So now I have redone this old stereo cabinet. This is what it looks like now. I didn't have to do a whole lot thanks to the people that I got it from. They had already taken the walls and everything off of it, but I replaced the bottom, replaced the back. I left plexi on the sides with screen covers just to make sure that it stays put sliding doors on the front, and now I'm going to show you what I built this for. Is Walter. He is my new northern blue tongue skink. He is a white and sunset. I just picked him up at the Animal Expo, and he is the reason I built this tank. So, now, let's say hi to everybody. Okay, okay. Okay, we're going to leave him alone and let him become accustomed to his new home. Thanks for watching.